These are our ageLOC product pipelines since we started ageLOC in 2009. Some of you may remember transformations, and we had Future Serum, we have the ageLOC Galvanic Spa, and our supplements as well. And to be at the forefront of anti-aging, it's important to remember that it's not just about what you put on your skin, but it's also important to remember and think and be careful about what we put in our bodies. So together, supplements and skincare offer the optimum solution for anti-aging, and Nuskin is perfectly positioned to provide that. And today, let's talk about Loomis Spa. The science here is very, very exciting. We go to the gym, right? We want to stay in shape, we want to move around. So it's important that we keep our bodies physically active, especially as we grow older. You know, exercise helps make our bones strong, and it helps keep our muscles limber and loose. Now, have you ever thought about the cells that make up our bodies? They look like they're not moving. When I look at my hand, at my skin, those cells don't look as if they're doing very much. They've probably gone to sleep. Well, that's not true. Science has shown that these cells are very busy, and they like to be in motion. When they're in this constant motion, it helps our cells stay young and stay vibrant. So it was this insight that got us thinking, and we started to wonder about skin cells and whether there was specific movement or motion that the skin cells would enjoy and that would help keep them and help them produce and stimulate nice anti-aging components of skin. So we took some skin cells and we worked with an external group, one of our partners, and we placed them into something called a collagen scaffold. So we put little skin cells in the collagen scaffold, and then we had to build this fearsome looking device, and this is unique. This was the only place in the world that could offer this scientific capability. So we placed our skin cells in these scary looking devices, and we subjected them to different motion at different frequency, and we looked to see what would happen. And sometimes, actually, you could make the skin cells really unhappy, and negative things happened. The skin cells just didn't like it. They didn't produce anything. You know, they were very ill, poorly, sick. But we also found that the right specific motion did wonderful things, and it increased the production of key anti-aging molecules in the skin called decorin and biglycan. So those help to keep the skin firm. It also stimulated the production of collagen, and we all know how important collagen is for our skin to be youthful. And it increased the production of TGF-beta. This is another messenger in the skin. So all of this information was very exciting. So we had shown in the laboratory that the right specific movement could help keep the skin young. So that was quite intriguing for us. So then we had to think about, okay, well, what should we do with that? Well, you know, we have a lot of skincare devices, and everybody's busy, today. We don't want to give people more things to do. So we thought, can we take movement, and can we take something that everybody does every day, cleansing, and can we build a skincare device that cleanses, that moves the cells in the right way to help boost their youthfulness and produce the first of its kind dual action skin cleansing and skin perfecting treatment device. And that's what Loomis Spa is. So, too quick. So it's one step. One step takes 2 minutes. You do it twice a day. You cleanse your face in the morning and evening to move away dirt and grime and makeup, and you get 7 skin benefits. You get clean skin, you get softness and smoothness straight away after just one use, and the benefits keep building over time. So as that skin gets into gear and starts moving, we show improvements in radiance, in skin clarity and skin luminosity. And we ran our studies for 12 weeks, and we saw at the end of 12 weeks an improvement in the appearance of pores, which can be really difficult to achieve. So we were very excited about those results. Now, this Loomis Spa is designed as a system, and we all know that to achieve cleansing you need a cleanser. But we needed to get the right type of cleanser that would work with the Loomis Spa device. And there's many different types of cleansers available today. There's some cleansing balms, there's cleansers that produce a lot of foam. We took all of these types of cleansers, there were 50 or 60 different types of cleansers that we tested to see which one produced the best results with Loomis Spa. So remember, we've done your homework for you. We've tested all of these different cleansers to find the ones that produce the best results. And we are introducing these 4 activating cleansers that work with the Loomis Spa, and we've also included in the activating cleansers some key ingredients that we've identified using our gene expression work. So these ingredients have been identified using our age-lock screens, and we've placed them into the cleanser. So you get this wonderful combination of the benefits of the Loomis Spa combined with the benefit of age-lock ingredients. Getting the right cleanser is really critical. And as I've said, some formulations can be just too thick and viscous and goopy. And when that happens, you don't get the right movement of the Loomis Spa. Some cleansers are way too thin, and that won't work either. You need to get the right lubricity to provide the cushioning between the Loomis Spa device and the skin surface to give you these magical skin benefits. 7 benefits in 2 minutes, remember. Also, the Loomis Spa is wonderfully gentle. We sell the device with 2 different surfaces, 2 different treatment surfaces. One is a normal, and the normal you'd want to use every day, twice daily cleansing. If you want a little bit more exfoliation, we have the firm treatment surface as well. Now, these treatment surfaces are made of a silicone material, and if you run your fingers over them, they feel really nice and smooth and soft. And I think we have a video that shows you how these silicone surfaces perform versus some other types of cleansing devices using brushes. So let's roll the video, please. such a great video, I think, because it shows two important aspects of Loomis Spa. It shows the gentleness of the silicone surfaces, but it also shows, did you notice, the jelly wobbling? And that's the movement that you want with Loomis Spa. That's the magic that gives you the benefits with Loomis Spa. That little bit of movement in just the right amount to wake up those skin cells and get them working. We've also made the Loomis Spa very hygienic, and it's easy to clean. And we have another video that will demonstrate this. So can we roll the next video? Now let's just look at those results again. The lady was wearing fluorescent makeup, and the makeup was removed